Do you find yourself struggling to focus on the things that are most important to you? We live in an age of distraction. And one of the things that happens is that the way our brain works and the way our environment currently is are not compatible. One metaphor for understanding our brain is that we have a reactive automatic part of our brain and we have a voluntary effortful part of our brain. The automatic reactive part of the brain has no control. When stimuli pop up in our world, it takes over. So whenever our emails pop up, our phone vibrates, and other notifications come into our world, that part of our brain has just hijacked our voluntary, effortful side. And the challenge is we do our best work when we're engaged in the voluntary, effortful part of our brain. To overcome that, what we need to do is design our environment to reduce the number of distractions that are present. Because most of us believe we can control the reactive side of our brain when it's in fact automatic. So if you want to find more focus, you need to design your environment so that less stimuli are taking over or hijacking when you're doing that effortful voluntary work.